Hello everyone. Today we're going on a club ride. We're gonna head down to Shoshone Falls. I can't remember the exact mileage that we're gonna ride today, but I'll go ahead and put a map up right here to show you where we're going. And I'm not sure how big of a group we're gonna have at the ride today. It's a pretty long ride. I got some gravel in the road here. Anyway, it's starting out pretty cold. It's 45 degrees right now, but the high is supposed to be like 66 today, so it's going to turn out to be a really nice day. It's been kind of nasty here the last couple days. Had some rain and a lot of wind, so today's going to be a really nice day. The winds are only supposed to be like 5 miles an hour, and as you guys can probably see, there's no clouds in the sky at all, so it should be a really great day for a ride. So we're heading on over to the Indian dealer, and then we're all going to hook up over there and then make our way down to Shoshone Falls. So please come along and enjoy the ride with us, and we'll get a couple of views of the falls when we're down there. So we'll see you here in a little bit. There is one more thing I wanted to tell you, is I've got a new seat on the bike right now. It's a Corbin, so this will be the first ride on it. I took it around the neighborhood just to kind of test it out, make sure it would I could sit on it. But anyway, so this will be the first real long ride for it, and we'll see how that works out, and maybe sometime in the future I'll go ahead and do a full review on it after I've had a chance to really check it out. So we're just about to the Indian dealer here. You can see it's pretty quiet out this morning. Make our turn in here, and we'll see if anybody's at the dealership. And looks like we got one bike here, and we'll see you on the ride. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
Have a good day.
All right, you too. So we just finished up down here at Shoshone Falls. Hope you enjoyed the ride. We had quite a group of people. We actually had the club from Boise come over and join us. So there ended up being about 40 motorcycles in total, I think. So it was quite a group. I think we had 15 to 18 in ours, and they had 12 or so. So it was pretty neat seeing all those Indians down there together. Of course, they weren't all Indians. There was a Victory and a Suzuki, and you know, a bunch of different stuff down there. So it was pretty cool. It's a great group of people in our club here. We doesn't matter what you ride. If you want to come out and have a good time, just come on out and have a good time. So we're just climbing out of the canyon here, and then we're gonna start making our way back home. It was a lot of fun. Weather was perfect. We only had just a little bit of a breeze when we first got into Twin Falls there. You guys probably saw that bridge there. And other than that, there's been almost no wind, and the temperature's like mid-60s. It's probably 70 down there in the bottom of the canyon, but got a little warm down there, but it's going to cool back off as soon as we get out of the canyon. So anyway, I do appreciate you coming along for the ride. Hope you enjoyed it. Got a beautiful area here, beautiful ride. So you guys take care and stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Some base jumpers there getting ready to jump off the bridge. This is one of the only places in the country where it's legal to base jump. So there's usually a lot of them here if the weather's nice.